Hello everyone, it's 2:02 p.m. Houston time, July the 17th, 2026. Two NQs just shorted them and looking to see the momentum going in the direction where take the money and run. That's where I'm at right now. Would it let me do it with one push or do I have to suffer? Well, when you are playing against the buyers and the sellers and you have absolutely no control and you're not sitting on a casino table, so you don't know what will happen. But what you do is you make your best calculation and then hope for the best. Right now, we are looking at 300 plus minus in the play here. How soon would it get to the mark we need? It's an open question. Should I be stopping right here and then wait to get back into it? That's what I have to keep calculating. But at this moment, I feel that we are in good shape. But if as I proceed with this trade and see that the calculations are not working, we will put a stop to this trade and then get back again when the opportunity arises again, going short. So I'm still going to do short on this trade here. That's what my thinking is. Now it's the time to make a calculated decision. Should I put a stop to this or continue to play this out? Looks like we're getting into the danger zone and it is gone into the danger zone. But all right, I'll put a stop loss here so that it does not get carried away in that run upwards. So that's where the stop is. We are currently in tentative loss of 9,500 plus minus dollars. So that's a stopgap measure. Now, where do I finally close this trade? That is our $1,000 mark. So for now, we are still in the same trade, and I have not decided yet to call it quits or still roll with the punches. And it looks like the tide is going in our favor, and if it continues to flow in that way, then we are chopping some chops, right? All right. So we are back up, but nothing is guaranteed. I always remember that. And as you also understand, I don't give financial advice. This is how I trade. If you like the style, as your other people are contacted, I'll assist you as well. But no promises, no guarantees, and be mindful. I have reiterated, and I'll say it again. You're not sitting at a casino table. It's your hard-earned money. So when you invest, hopefully to gain, but at the same time, you have the same percentages for losing it. So that's what you have to decide. I cannot decide it for you. And for this money here, it's on the table, and I am not backing off. I am hoping that it will yield fruits here. This is the second run downstairs. Usually you've heard me saying going south. We are back up to $300, $400 range, and hopefully this time it may gain the momentum where we take our 1,000 and run. Looks like it's looking better and better. That's where we are at right now. Would this be a good run? Let's hope so. So we will be going back and forth here on this here. Let's see where I would like to make a pause with this baby where we take our money and run. I think just about here. This is an excellent run it's going to be. And that's order submitted. We'll make more than 1,000 on this delay. We're already at 500, 600. Am I dreaming? Yes, you always dream and you dream big. That's a $700 mark. There will be many a slip between a cup and a lip, as to say. Here there will be up and down in this here if I was to carry through where I want to close this deal. Although in another couple of pushes we will be hitting the $1,000 mark. Would it be wise to take a 1,000 and run, or would this time take a bigger risk and stay in the trade to make more money? Since it's Friday, more than a nickel is better, right? So more the merrier. Well, I still have to be careful here, but well, first of all, I'm going to, the money we have gained, I don't like to give it up, so instead of taking a loss, and that will bring our stop loss down, so we will not be in the negative territory anymore. We can go back in the trade, that's a different matter, but as far as what we have gained, I don't want to lose it. So there we go, we are between 7 and 800. That's where it is vacillating. And do I hear 900? Well, my ears are ringing. And there you go, we're getting closer and closer to the $1,000 mark. We are between 7 and 830. There you go. Would this be the run, or it is going to go back up? At this point, we don't know, but the tide can always turn against you. So be prepared for that. That's $700. Should we take $700 and run, or should we stay in the trade, or go back and do another trade? How about that? That's the calculation one has to make. Or it's another way is to make $500 out, go back in the trade. If whatever trade you're feeling you want to go long or short, then go another 500. That's another way of putting money in your bank account. Usually I like to stay and see where it takes it. So it is still positive trade, my one trade, meaning to get the 1,000 here. And it might just make a one big push and we say, oh, thank you. There you go. We are almost going to hit the $1,000 mark. We are right there. And should we get out, or should we stay in and see if we can gain some more money? As you know, I always take my $1,000 and run. I'm very okay with that. $1,000 a day. Nobody gives you a penny, right? So 1,000 is a good day. $1,000 a day, 25 days you trade, and if you do trade right and you get $1,000 each day, that's $25,000 a month. So not too shabby, right? Well, we are at 990 and looking like, there you go, $1,000 mark. Take money and run. What do you say? Or because this is a good trade, that I can tell you. This is going in the direction. That's why I shorted this particular trade where I knew that it will make the $1,000. That's all I always think, as you understand. I mean, this is not the first time. I always say, okay, I've made my trade and I'll live with it. That's around 1170. We're getting close to $1,200. It is. It's looking pretty good. Should we bring our stop loss down? We don't have to lose that kind of money, so let's bring it down right about here. How about that? So even if it makes a U-turn, we will have some money in our hand. Although $1,200 is $1,200. Should we take it and run? I am still thinking we are okay for now. Are we okay? Are we okay? I think we are okay. Although I'm trigger happy, we don't have to wait that long. I can keep bringing the stop loss down here. So where are we? We are at $1,400. How about today if we make 2,000 and get out? Or should we go for the no breaks until where I have already placed it? That's where I want to get out. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. It is looking good, good, and good. We are at $1,300. $1,000 is my daily mark. So, is that a good idea to take 1,001? I think so. There we go. We are running into now 1,500. How about we bring it even further down and close it right there. If it hits, it hits. We take our money, whatever we get. Although this trade is going to give you another $1,000 easy, that I can tell you, my friends. Look at that. We are already hitting almost the 1,500 mark, and easily $2,000. So I can see that happening. There you go. That's almost 1,600 right there. So this trend continues until until we make our money and leave town, right? That's 1,500 right there at that point. So we are guaranteed at least $1,200 here, and we continue to flow that direction. So let's bring it further down here. We got our money, so we are okay. There you go. I told you it's $2,000 is a guaranteed trade. Look at that. It's already at 1860. So yeah, it is. It's a beautiful trade. Just got in time and place a trade right. The numbers are going in our favor, and it's continuing to march in the direction we had planned. So right now we are $1,800. So how about we take 2,001? Do I have to take 3,000? Yeah. Well, we shall see. We shall see. Where are we at? Now let's bring it a little more closer. Let's start right there. I'm already contented. I think we have made a mark more than we had planned. We are at $1,800 plus, and if it strikes, we are out. We are out. So be it. Although it will continue to go down, that I tell you that this is 2,000 plus trade. So right now we are at almost $1,900 mark right there, and if goes one more push, we will top that 2,000. It's a beautiful trade, beautiful trade. There you go. We see the 1,900 mark here. And how about let's not lose even that money and place it right there. As you see that I've been bringing the market down. There you go. It touched 2,000. 2,000, 2,000. Should we go where I placed it exactly the money where it can produce? So because you can see I placed the closing trade at the 1750 mark. So and that's where it's going to go. And right now it's saying, okay, before you go, I put on some brakes on you. Well, that's all right. We are still, there you go, 2,000. And it will continue to flow south. As I said, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. This is the kind of trade you look for. And it works out, It works out not all the time, but I would say most of the time, if you place the trade at the right time. And this one I did place it at the right time, although I could have placed it a little slightly, maybe 20 points earlier would have been better, but that's okay. I came in at about this time and I said, okay, I'll take it. There you go. That's your $2,000 mark right there. So let's bring this beauty further down and see that if we can take that, or should we let it hit the mark we want to let it hit the mark. Well, I'm going to more down here. Why leave money on the table? $2,300, take and run, or let it close my trade where I placed it. I think it would be a good point to get out, although we can go further south on this here. That's a $2,000 trade right now if we were to get out here. I'll give it a shot at it. How about we stay in there and let's see what happens. Is it going to? Oh, there we go. Well, we are out. So you stop right there. I'll close this baby right here. And we are out with 2035. We are done, my friends. And how long did it take? This trade took about almost 16 minutes. Are you happy? I am. And if you want to learn this here, I'm here for you. Get in touch and we will move forward with it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing with other people as well. We keep on trucking. It's a Friday, a beautiful Friday in Houston, Texas. So go wherever you may be watching this here. Go and have fun and have a beautiful weekend. And don't forget to watch Argentina versus Spain. Messi is my boy. I say I talk like a Texan here. So yeah, Messi is one kind of a player, as we say, soccer player here in US and football in the rest of the world. He's God bless him. He comes from a very humble background and he went through his childhood where he has to take shots for his hormonal issues, and then he has become literally a skilled technician in playing the soccer. Watch him how he plays. He does not run like other players chasing the ball. In fact, the whole team is built around him because when he moves, the whole team moves in that direction because they know this guy is going to make it happen. And that happens. And that's why I think, although I'm not a betting guy, but putting money on Messi, I don't think anybody will be wrong. He has played well. You never know. But it appears to be a safe bet. Messi is one kind of a player never before in the history who has risen to such a level. And he will be one guy who will be very difficult to duplicate. The skills he had, he's a master of his game, and what a beautiful play to watch when he gets the ball. All right, and don't forget, the ball they play with, that's made in Pakistan. God bless both the countries. Long live. Well, enough of my talk. I got carried away because I got 2,000 in my pocket. Have a blessed weekend.